Yeah, hello guys. Good evening. Welcome to iitiansgateclasses. Am I audible? Sorry guys for a delay. Yeah, am I audible guys? Please respond guys. Yeah, namaskara. So am I audible? Please respond. Yeah, thank you guys. Okay. So guys, this is in brief about me. Okay, and agenda of this session is to discuss about all the you know options you guys have after a valid gate score. Clear guys? So now all of you hopefully have valid gate score, and even if you are not having valid gate score also, there are some options. Okay, so and we'll be discussing in detail about all the courses related to masters and PhD, also PSU and job options. Okay, in government sector after gate. Okay, so guys, currently admission is open for gate 26 and 27, and we ask you guys to share with your juniors and friends, those who are planning to prepare gate 2026 sincerely. Okay, and IGC offer different different courses like gate online coaching, target gate course, gate online test series, distance learning program. So please do share if somebody asks, or you know uh, for suggestion. So now guys, so what are the higher studies option you guys have now with the valid gate score? So you can do different courses like MTech or ME. You can also do from in India now MS and MTech research course. There is another course called MDES, Masters of Design from ISC Bangalore. There is one CPDM department which offers this course. Okay, then guys, you guys can do direct PhD also if your gate score is valid, and but if it is low, if you are not getting call for MTech program. Okay, you guys can do this course. Yeah, we will discuss Gajoda. So for you, this direct PhD can be one of the option with this gate score. Okay, uh, and also you can try for MS and MTech research in new IITs. Okay, or in IIT Hyderabad, MS in IIT Madras and IIT Kanpur. Okay, Gajoda. So I answered your query straightforward. And then direct PhD you guys can get under PM scholarship. Okay, under PMRF. So there you get a stipend of around 80K, right? And earlier our two of IGC students, they joined PhD, and then later they could convert to PMRF. So that is also possible. Yeah. So then there are other courses, management related courses are there. Okay. like in IIM, there are based on gate score, there is fellowship, uh, management programs and all. Okay, MS also there in Department of Management Studies in different IITs. Okay, especially in IIT Madras, this MS program is there. Or I think in IIT Hyderabad also there are program in entrepreneurship and all. Then you can do masters abroad also from Germany or Singapore based on your valid gate score. With the AR 121, yes, you have options to get old IITs for sure, especially IIT Kharagpur, Kanpur, or maybe in IIT Madras non-HTTA. Okay. So in general category with 450 gate score, you can get in IIST, okay, or DIIT, or you can try in new IITs. Okay, you may or you may not. Okay, clear, Mr. Arjun? Okay. Yeah, IST and DIIT, of course, you can get Mr. Gajodhar. Okay. Definitely, that also we are going to discuss in coming sessions about cutoff and all. Uh, we have so many students in different institutes, right? So we know their marks cutoff also, as well as you know it's very tough. You may get more of in you know tier two central government colleges like through CCMT, Mr. Next Step. Okay, so what are the areas in which you can pursue your studies now? You can do in aerodynamics, which is your core lovable area, aero propulsion, aerostructure, flight physics, aerostructure. If you are looking for good job in India, easy job among all is aerostructure, fluid machinery, turbo machinery, machine design in mechanical area. You can also do in fluid and thermal engineering, your masters. You can do in CAE, CAD, CAM also, and mathematics, mathematical simulations. You can do from DIT. There is department also, Department of Mathematics. They offer MTech in mathematical simulation. You can also do your masters in energy studies. There are not much. It is a specific field, but still there are government jobs related to that energy studies and all. Atmospheric sciences also, if you want to get in research area. Applied sciences, there are departments of applied mechanics in IIT Madras, in IIT Delhi. They do give admission aero engineers. You can do masters in computational sciences, or you can do in non-technical areas also masters. Apart from that, you can also do masters like from departments of computational CDS, right? There is departments in ISC Bangalore with Gate A score. Yeah. So these are the areas. So what is your Henry? Your doubt with 394 EWS? MTech is bit tough. Earlier, we have seen MTech with the EWS like some 420 to 450 gate score people have got MTech. Okay. Uh, but with this 394 score, we are not sure. MS also tough. You may get call for interview. It is like it is bit tough, but you can do get in CCMT colleges. Okay, I will tell you which all CCMT colleges. Yeah, Rishabh, gate score 417, rank 4000 EWS double E. That separately we can discuss, Rishabh. Currently, we are discussing on aerospace engineering. Okay. Yeah. So, guys, first preference, if your gate score is good and if it is 550 plus minus, right? Then usually you should go for these IITs. Okay, you can include like IIT Roorkee also, because now they provide MTech in space technology. So you can do from IIT Bangalore, IIT Madras, Bombay, Kanpur, Kharagpur, Hyderabad, Guwahati, Dharwad, Indore, and Roorkee. So for all these places, there is direct, Aerospace related courses are there, MTech. So many places are there now, so many courses, and now there are many seats actually in IIT Kanpur, IIT Madras. The number of seats are very high. Even in IIT Bombay also, there are significant number of seats. Okay, um, so this is about. I think, guys, you are asking specific questions, right? Like with this score, which IIT, and of course, I can answer, but currently data is not there in this session, Parthiv, because next session will be there on cutoff parts. So there exactly you'll get all the idea. Of course, with 605 gate score, um, um, you may get, but again, IIT Bombay is tricky. I will tell you why it is tricky when we discuss the cutoff part. Then there are other courses which are related to aerospace engineering in IIT Delhi, IIT Bhubaneswar, IIT Ropar, Mandi, IIT Jodhpur, IIT Patna, Gandhinagar, Varanasi, Tirupati, Bhile. Guys, I am happy to say from all these colleges in last 2 3 years, um, many IGCNs got many offers, especially from new IITs, also old IITs. So all these colleges, guys, providing admission with gate A score. Clear? So even if your score is like 400 to 450, you guys must apply. May not be in old IITs, but you must apply in new IITs and these, you know, new or in these other listed IIT where aerospace related courses are there, or courses which are, having the similar basics of aerospace engineering. See, Udayan, I want to be frank on placement part. This year is there now. This 2025, sorry, 2024, 2025 placement year. It is bit not that great. Okay, but the previous year was very good. Okay, so Udayan, the placement, changes year to year. Clear? It depends on company's projection, requirements and all. But once you get in any IIT, guys, I will suggest you be ready for both core placements also and non-core placements from at least end of first semester onwards. Clear, Uday, or everyone who are watching this session, guys? Because with lot of hard work, now you guys will be getting in IIT, right? Because it is like second opportunity, right? After 12th, right? We got in BTech, but they are okay for whatever the reasons. There are not many options. See, Udayan, it is not specific to any IIT. Okay, specifically placement for a particular branch. It depends on that company. Aerodynamics means you want CFD related jobs. So it depends what company is coming, what for what profile is coming. Okay, what is their requirement? So many things are there. So since your rank is 67, you can choose the college like IIT Bombay, Madras, or Kanpur, right? Clear? Because in ISC it will be tough. Like with this rank, you may not get admission. So clear, everyone, about what should be your first or second preference after a valid gate score. Okay, but the your score at least should be between 400 to 450. Okay. For dynamics and control, IIT Bombay is also very good, and then ISC Bangalore. IIT Madras have less number of faculties for flight mechanics part. Okay, now I think there are more faculty, but IIT Madras is known for propulsion, aerodynamics, and in some extent structures also. But ISC Bangalore, IIT Bombay are very well known for dynamics control. In fact, IIT Kanpur also having very good infrastructure for that, flight mechanics area and good professors. Yeah, why not? You must try Abhinav Sharma with 550. So in general, guys, if your score is above 500, you cannot take risk. You have to apply. Okay, both MTech program also, MTech or MTech research program also. So these should be your first and then second preference. Now, guys, in tier 1 college also you can have a second preference. So what is the second preference? Your MTech research or MS program, which are from like ISC and old IITs. If your gate score is low, definitely from ISC you will not get a call, but you may get call from IIT Madras, because in IIT Madras number of seats are 20 plus for MS program. Then you will also get call for IIT Kanpur, IIT Hyderabad, Dharwad, and Indore also have MS program in space technology. Clear, guys? IIT Delhi, IIT Mandi, IIT Guwahati, these places also, these MS program are there in aero related branches like applied mechanics, mechanical, or atmospheric sciences and all. Clear? Everyone, this clear? So what should be your second choice? Why I always tell guys prefer MTech over MTech research or MS, because MS or MTech research is going to take more time. Okay, compared to MTech. So if you have already taken 1 year of drop, or you have already working experience and all, if you can't put more time, you can, if you are getting MTech, you can prefer MTech. But if you are really interested in research, then you can go for MTech research or MS program, which is kind of mini PhD. Yeah, in ISC, there is no specific admission like dynamics control and all. With this rank, you will get aerospace engineering. Okay. After getting in aerospace engineering, you can choose your project in this dynamics and control. Okay. And with this AR 18, there are very good chances you will get ISC Bangalore. Okay. Structure specialization, you will get IIT Kanpur Dharmesh with OBC, and you can choose IIT Kharagpur also for MTech. Okay, IIT Madras, with 550 to gate score, you may get non HTTA. Okay. So, guys, clear. These are the second choices. I am just answering few questions, not all the queries, because this session is not specific to this, cut off marks and everything. Because in next session that will be more clearer. So, with Abhishek Agarwal 743, IIT CSC, general any score for getting anything in ISC. What? CS related branches or what? You want CS related branches? Yes, in ISC Bangalore, you can opt for MTech research, Abhishek. We have faculty with in IGC from ISC Bangalore with MTech research program with a similar gate score. Okay. So, what is, sir? Which branch is better for good placement in old IIT? See, usually placement wise, structures is always on top. Okay. Then nowadays this control and guidance comes. Okay. Or you can say aerodynamics, where CFD and all you need. And then propulsion comes, core propulsion. Okay. In core area, I'm talking. Because in structures there are many companies in India, core companies who are working, and also the scope of work is more in structures. Yeah, in general I'm telling now you, in general, from last 2 years we have seen a safe rank in ISC is 20 to 25. Till 20 to 25 people get admission in ISC Bangalore with general category. Okay. Yeah. So now, guys, the third preference. Okay. So this is from CCMT. The admission happens through not COPE. Or only preference 1 and 2 through COPE. Even this MTech research and MS offer will not be in COPE. Okay. So you guys will get direct offers. You have to apply directly. Okay. We will have separate video for COPE. For your information, you guys can look into last year video on COPE. Okay. Now, guys, if your gate score is if you are in general, okay, and if your gate score is 350 to 420 around, you guys must apply in CCMT. Okay, apart from new IITs, this MTech research, MS, okay, in these colleges like IST Trivandrum, DIIT, NIT Surat, and other. In NIT Surat, there is a turbo machinery. Um, Gajodhar, the personal guidance is only given, sorry to say, IGC student. Okay. So outsider, we don't find that much time. Okay. I'm sorry to say, but that is what the, policy in IGC we have. The personal mentoring is done to only IGC student, and we don't have any such courses like, post-grad guidance course and all. So, guys, in NITs also, of course, in some of the NITs cutoff will be high, but still there are many courses where your GATE AE score is valid if you are having a valid GATE score. Guys, again, IGC do not suggest to take drop. If you have, if you are fourth year student, still you can take a drop if you want to prepare again. Okay, but if you are having or if you have done already one drop, I will suggest join any college if you have a valid GATE score. But for that, you try best. At least you can try to get in direct PhD or research program or in new IITs or in NITs or any central government college. Okay. So then, guys, right. So tier one. Again, this is not mandatory. You can have a choice and option like direct PhD. So if you have a valid GATE score other than ISC, it will have good chances you may get called for interview. And many times we have seen even with a valid GATE score of around 400 to 450, people got admission in direct PhD if they have interest in research. And the PhD candidate get a scholarship of or a stipend of 35K from the first month itself. Okay. Or if you are interested in management courses also, you can apply with the GATE score. Okay. Now, guys, apart from these IITs, NITs, many other places, central institutes, this government or other government colleges, GATE score is valid. And there also we have seen many successful candidate. Even some of our students did masters from MIT. They also got placed in good companies. People have done earlier days masters from IST Trivandrum, BIT, BITS Mesra. If your score is not valid, like you are not qualified students, you can do masters from BITS Mesra. You can try for some good offline jobs. Now in DIIT Pune also, there are sponsored seat without GATE score. They takes their own some exam and provide admissions. And then there is a VIT Bangalore and like other options. Okay, this institute RGPIT Energy Institute Bangalore. Every year they send us mail regarding like GATE qualified students can apply in their MTech programs. It's a government institute. Okay. Now, guys, abroad you guys can get into options: Germany, RWTH and Technical University of Germany, and Singapore. these two places with valid gate score. Now I'll take up some questions also. Structures, which IIT is good? I already answered, I believe. Arjun, sir, COPE is only and only for MTech. Yes, it is only and only for MTech in IITs, not even in IST, DIIT, and IT. They take through CCMT. Okay, sir, you can answer one more queries. Chances for MS call with gate score plus EDU. Yes, you may. Shivan, more of, because in EWS sometimes, Shivan, we have seen for MTech itself cutoff was around 420 around, even in IIT Kanpur, IIT Indore. Okay, so you must apply IIT Dharwad, IIT Indore. Okay, IIT Kanpur must, because end of the day, guys, once you have IIT degree from IIT, guys, placement is one part, but the degree you will cherish for whole life. Clear? Shivang and others, because see, the you will be always recognized as an IITian. Definitely, there will be different walks of life where you can work. Okay, apart from what we learn in engineering. Uh, No, those are not necessary. You can look into further details there. In RWTH, there should be, I think, English test is not there. Gate score and other some, academic requirements are there. With 620 gate score, you the best options, like you can apply all in four IITs, whichever you get, what course you get, based on that you can choose IIT Bombay, Madras, Kanpur, Kharagpur. Clear? uh, the cricket short official, so called. Okay, so which is preferable, ISC, Germany, or Singapore? I will say ISC is good option. You can prefer Germany also. Singapore is costly. Okay. Yeah, it is good. This UAV is good. In fact, now requirements will come in government sector also. Okay, UAV is good. Like AD is already there, right? Even this Bharat Electronics Limited, BEL also hire for UAV work. Okay. Earlier, they put some recruitment for a contractual post based on gate AE score. Yeah, you will get Anjali with OBC 660 score. Um, okay. What is your rank, Anjali? I think in 80, right? What is your rank? With you will get Bombay, Madras also. Madras initially you will get non HTTA. Then it will be converted to HTTA, Kanpur. Okay. Yeah, Singapore will take it is a they will convert it to percentile. NTU Singapore will take, okay, admission with this 500 plus gate score. The only thing, the fee is high. The cost of living is high in Singapore. If somebody is rich, they can go. Sir, University of Germany, as in, yeah, Technical University of Munich. Yes. 550 MTech Kanpur structures, OBC, yes, yes, Saurabh. Package again, Saurabh. Like if you get in company like G, Airbus, Boeing, you will get good package in structures. Okay. You can also placed in some mechanical company. You can also get placed with structures, knowledge in NCs or Siemens. Okay. Even you can get placed in MATLAB, in mechanical software companies. Okay, or in this Dassault, Altran. Okay, so you develop along with good structures knowledge, coding is skill. Then guys, learn AI/ML basics also, and try to implement, guys, this AI/ML in your project work. Okay, because today I spoke with some of the candidates from IIT Bombay, our IGC student. They told nowadays company are looking, your project work also related to some AI/ML. Okay, if you want to get in those companies. IIM, you can do now fellowship in management, right? FPM program, but that is the 5 year like PhD kind of program. It's not an 2 year program. Okay, so average package in structure, see, GE was offering around eight, some 17 LPA. Okay, it depends company to company. Now Airbus offer around 15 LPA, if I remember, 13 to 15 LPA. Then there is one company, structures, Saurav, Eaton. They also pay very good salary. Okay, Eaton, and they take structures candidate. Okay, so let's move to next part. Yeah. So now guys come to interview. So guys, if you go for any place, for MTech usually no interview. For MTech in aerospace usually no interview. Okay. But if you go for MTech research or MS program, you have to go through interviews. Okay. So they will call for interview, and they may take some basic exam also. If more number of candidate apply, they will take exam, and then they will filter, and then they will take interview to check your basic knowledge, or you check to your attitude and many other things. So how to prepare for interview? So if you choose your area of research aerodynamics, so you should start with mathematics, then fluid basics, aerodynamics, and gas dynamics. If you choose propulsion as your area of interest, you choose mathematics, thermodynamics, GD, propulsion knowledge. Structures means mathematics, strength of materials, vibration, thin wall structure. If you choose control and system, then mathematics, mechanics, flight mechanics, and some basics of control systems. Okay. Now, if you choose fluid and thermal sciences, you should read these fluid mechanics, thermodynamics, HMT. Machine design means mathematics, mechanics, SOM, and vibration. So, based on your area of interest, you start reading. Okay. You guys now should read books. Okay. Don't be dependent on some brief notes and all, because in interview they will try to judge your basic understanding of concepts, physical understanding of concepts and all. So you guys should read engineering mathematics like Irving Krasik, or your NCRT books like calculus, graphs and all. Okay. Then fluid mechanics like FM White, thermodynamics like Sanjay Bowles or other thermodynamics good books, or fluid mechanics also, like you guys can refer like SK Som and all. Aerodynamics and gas dynamics by Fundamental of Aerodynamics, John D. Anderson. So you guys have to read now well and try to understand concepts, try to understand derivation. They may ask you guys to derive during interview certain concepts. So propulsion, Roser Cohen; solid mechanics, Timotion Cohen Gere, or Gere Goodno; aircraft stability by Nelson, or any other good book. Okay, so this is how you need to prepare for interview. Now I'll take a doubt, guys. Don't worry. I'll just finish this part quickly. Now jobs, PSU jobs. So guys, specifically, DRDO and ADA hire for scientist post as well as JRF PA post through GATE AE score. In recent days, guys, there are many jobs, especially not permanent jobs this year, but JRF, project associate, project engineer through GATE AE score, right? In ADA, AD, and earlier in other places. Okay, in NL also. So guys, DRDO ADA jobs from last 3-4 years, it is coming regularly. This year yet notification have not come. Okay, so the last recruitment is already finished, and from IGC, I'm happy to say, I think four people got in DRDO this ADA scientist jobs out of seven. Okay, out of seven, four are IGCs in last recruitment. Now, guys, this ISRO, HL, BAL, NL, they also recruit through Gate A score. But again, positions are for JRF, project associate, project engineers, and all. But Gate A score, they ask. Now, other important exams, like all these exams happened in 23, but in 24, HL didn't put exam, even DGCA didn't put. Okay, ICRB also, I think it happened earlier, January 2024. Okay, so all these exams you can write. Being an aero engineer, you are eligible, so you guys should look into all these exams also. Now gate exam is over, so in upcoming days HL may take HL design trainee exam, where aero engineers will have some posts. You can, like DGCA, what happens, they takes like in many years one time, like in 4 years one times, like that. So whenever DGCA exam happens, the more number of opportunities comes, guys. And I am very happy to say last year we got, I think, 12 students, IGC students in DGCA. Okay, clear, for government job, officer A job. Same thing for ICRB, but ICRB becomes bit tough because that exam happen in mechanical stream. Okay. Now this Airport Authority of India ATC Junior Executive exam, it happens on your 12th standard knowledge, your basic mathematics, physics knowledge, along with that general aptitude. Okay, and this FCAT, you more many of you may know, this is more of some technical and aptitude exam. Later on you have to clear all fitness test and all. So these are the important, government job portal link where you guys, look into latest vacancies. Yeah, so thank you guys for everything about this session. Now guys, again, admissions are open for the 26-27 Get Online Coaching Program, which is the best course from IGC, and these are the features of that course. Currently, admission open in Feb batch, okay, which we started from 23rd Feb, and the next IGC Get Online Coaching batch will start from April 3rd week. Okay, so guys, do share these details with interested aspirants. Now, guys, definitely we will discuss now what all queries you guys have written. So 260 score SC. I think I have to look into our previous admissions. Then I should call. Is it possible to tier one college, or I think you will get tier one college Astral with 517 gate score, because what happened towards the end, till 470 gate score, people with OBC get in old IITs, like in IIT KGP, in IIT Kanpur also nowadays. Okay, clear? Yeah. Placement percentage in ISC. I think in ISC placement is good. I don't have any percentage for core and non-core because the number of seat is less in ISC Bangalore. Okay. So when do calls comes after results, and how are the interviews for rank 18 for IIT Bombay? See, I am telling, for MTech program there is no interview. You need to apply as the this portal get opens, and I believe for ISC Bangalore already the portal will get open on 23rd, or it is open. Anybody can tell it is already opened or it will open. The fees in IGC, fees for IGC courses you are asking? Yeah, for different courses there are different fees. For this GATE online coaching program, fees is 35K. Okay, we can give some concession for GATE qualified students. Okay. Germany, Singapore, they provide any specific? No, there is 90 percentile something they write. So you guys will have easily 90 percentile, right? What is the percentile? Where you stand among top people, right? Okay. So 90 percentile is the more of requirement there. Now, guys, IIT Hyderabad thermo, yeah, in IIT Hyderabad, Saurabh, the good part is the number of seats in MTech is less. So, and also the good number of companies are there in Bangalore and Hyderabad. They go for placement. Even companies, core companies, mechanical like Mercedes, like this Benz and all. Okay. But guys, again, I'm telling you all, guys, be ready in future. Yeah, now one more thing. So guys, are you finding this session useful? Are you guys finding this session useful? Please respond yes or no. Okay, so thank you guys. So guys, you guys can like this session, and later you guys can share with your friends also. If anybody having gate score and looking for queries, so let me answer other queries quickly. So where were, yeah, so IIT Hyderabad, the advantage wherever the the number of seats are less now, the when company comes, the competition will be less. Okay, and the good part in IIT Hyderabad, this aero and mechanical department is together, so you can ideally apply in both companies, aerospace and mechanical companies. Sir, when do calls comes after results and how are interviews for rank teaching? I'm telling guys there is no interview for MTech program. Remaining you have to apply. Most of the interview will be in May month. So rhythm with I have 516 gate score with XC. No, PhD also tough. They need around 600 gate score. You can apply, but you may not get call. Okay. Yeah. Sir, better MTech at IST or MS in IIT? Both are good, Arjun. If you have more time, you can go MS in IIT. If you have time crunch, you can do MTech from IST. In terms of the placement, again, there are many my friends, those who have done MTech from IST, they are now in very good position. In fact, one of my students in NL scientist, she got senior NL scientist, lateral entry. In NL, she did MTech from IST. Okay, so there are plenty of example in our life where we have seen college is one part, but placement and all it depends on many factor. Okay, clear this question, Arjun? Now, sir, what is general weightage of gate score in interview? No, Shivang, there is nothing like weightage. They must select in interview first thing. Gate score is like more for getting selected for interview. Okay, can we accept opportunity foreign? It is less. Sometimes Gulf companies were coming in IIT Bombay in aerospace department in before COVID, but now we have not heard about that. Okay. Sir, others Gaikwad 400 score EW. I already told with 400 gate score EWS. Okay, you are closer. Okay, if you have 400 to 420, you may get in old IIT. or at least a new IIT, and then you should apply for MS and through CCMT colleges. Only I already told in structures. What can we do other than MTech research? You can do masters, na Gajodhar from masters from this na IST, DIIT. Yeah, yeah, EWS, Sri Charan, you have good chances. You'll get in mostly in Kanpur, in IIT Madras also you may get. Why you will get not no? Are you get a 18 ranker, Mr. Ayu? There is no interview. Project, why you will join through project? You can join na directly MHRD. This is question. What is your interest? Package, Saurabh, I cannot tell much on that part because again it varies year to year, company to company. If you are interested in structures, surely you go. You will have, better future. Okay, and uh, thermofluid also it's a good area. Okay, because there are plenty of mechanical companies, right, which work in thermofluid area, right? So this is like Hyderabad is good, placement wise good. Okay, MTech research placement is like same as MTech. You have to sit in the companies when it comes for placement. So in our time, it was equally same like MTech students when we were pursuing our masters. Okay, is a valid no, 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 no. In Mohan, in ISC, they are strict. Usually they keep like cut off like 600 kind of. Okay. I already mentioned what are the branches in NITs. The machine design, thermofluid, okay, CFD, CAD related, CAE. If you go to CCMT, na, and then there are many options. Okay, this kind of branches. Like machine design branch, this mm, thermal branch, okay, or CAD design related, those things. Nowadays, ISC have better statistic in terms of the placement because of the less number of students. Okay, but during COVID, IITs were better because they have better placement infrastructure. Okay, so do we need to give interview for no? CCMT also no interview. I think such a propulsion or other no. Propulsion with 550 gate score, you can apply, Saurabh. In fact, you should apply because 550 is a good gate score with OBC. Chances I cannot tell. I can tell in the next session when I have all the details in front of me. Okay, at least from IGC students admission. Clear, Saurabh? Because last year, Saurabh, I think 14 plus students from IGC got in IIT Bombay. Have you guys seen that video? I'll just run that video. Let me check. Yeah, I will answer further queries, guys. Let me share this video. You can see the IGCN's admission 2024. Okay, here I think video is not running. Let me share. Not visible to two people. I think that video. Okay, no problem. Let me share that video the other way. So, guys, is it clear? See, in 2024, not many PSUs, exam happened. So, hopefully for 25, okay. Sort of propulsion placements are less in India. Okay, like propulsion, core placements is less. Not many company want to study. If you have interest, then definitely you can apply. Okay. So you guys can see 13, but later on we come to know even I think some more students are there from my AGC. Okay. IT Madras 20 students, guys. So you can see. Okay. So quickly, let's get over this video. We'll discuss further. Very tough, Arjun. With 450 gate score. Usually no chance almost. I'm taking all IIT. Okay. Yeah. SC category, there are chances. Kanish, your gate rank is around 300, right? So we will check the cutoff also. But earlier days we have seen with that the people got in IST Bangalore. Yes.
क्या आपका एसी आपके इमोशंस के साथ कर रहा है खिलवाड़?
Okay.
गेट
Because
कंपनी की
with
फोम
the
गेट एसी
physically
सर्विस, जो
handicapped
भी डबल
quota
क्लीनिंग डबल
from
कूलिंग अब
IGC
सिर्फ
we have
499
seen
में।
earlier
दोस्तों
days.
क्या आपके एमएस ऑफिस सॉफ्टवेयर के अंदर ये वाला ऑप्शन
Okay.
है? ध्यान से देखो, इसे कहते हैं को पायलट।
Okay, guys. So anyone have any more question now, guys? We can quickly discuss. I already stopped video. Am I audible? That was like, no, probability means what? You have good chances. I have to check cutoff because today's session I have not kept any cutoff. Usually, ISC provide official cutoff also for MTech, and we consider our IGC students cutoff also. Yes, you have chances with SC, PL Kanish to get in ISC. Okay. With gate score of 437, the general EWS, can I get into new ITs? Yes. With EWS 437 gate score, yes. IITB minimum gate score to apply. There is no minimum. Yeah, there are minimum. Category wise, it is there. They mention 500 is the minimum in general or OBC something. They have minimum. Yes. In last year session we have provided, in upcoming session we'll provide. The minimum cutoff is there in IIT Bombay for call. Yeah, safe score in like if you are in general, then you should have 550 plus to like 600 is a safe score if you are in general. Okay, if your score is less than 600, 550 around, you have to wait till last. Okay, some students in fact get admission in sport rounds. Okay, but sports round in IIT Bombay, it happens very late. Yeah, the CCMT will open after not 10 round, after all 10 round, it starts late. CCMT will start late, not simultaneously. As such, there is no private job through Gate actually. Earlier, like L&T was hiring, okay, but in L&T was hiring through Gate earlier, I think, but Gate A score was not there, okay. In between, we heard some other MNCs will also hire through Gate A, but nowadays nothing as such happening, okay. Yeah, with this 388 OBC, yes, you can get in IST, DIIT, and then you can try in CCMT, other colleges. Sir, IISc have best faculty for which domain? Why should I comment on IISc? IISc have good faculties for all. So due to less gate score, if we are not able to get into IITs later, if we join some tier 2 college, and can we do skill wise to get good in future? Yes. What is skills? So you have to learn CFD, you have to learn FEA. Okay. Then these are for core engineering, right? Aerospace. But if you want to get in non-core, you learn AI, ML, improve your mathematics. So these are the things for, you know, analytics. Earlier days it was analytics also, now also. Non-core software IT jobs also recruit aerospace MTech students. Earlier days, like people were getting, but not many. IT jobs less. If you are very good in coding and those stuffs, then okay. But there are software company mechanical related also there. Okay, like I mentioned, this all. There is Comsol also. What is there? There are some more companies. Okay, Shukumar. Okay, so guys, any other doubt, or we can wind up? So thank you guys for listening me, and for further informations for any gate related course or upcoming PSU exams, uh, you guys can call us or mail us, okay, on this number, and you guys can visit IGC website for different courses. Yeah, what is your doubt, Venkaria? Can I join IT Motors for structures? No, it is good. IT Madras structures also good. Okay, no worry. And in fact, the placement also good. Some years may not be, but IT Madras structure is good. That actually Gajodhar, you can get much more detail in CCMT. Okay, they have year-wise statistic, which course, which gate paper can apply, and what is like cutoff and all. Okay, clear? Is it safe to assume that IIT Bombay MTech is fixed for gate score above? Like fix is nothing, but you will get, okay, based on the previous statistic you will get easily. Okay, life is nothing fixed. Yeah, with general 277, so with previous statistic you will get it. Okay, but in life nothing is fixed. Okay, so don't take anything granted. You should apply at least 3-4 places. Like if your gate scores is above 700, you can apply in top 4 places. Okay, yeah, so you guys can also subscribe to our YouTube channel, or you can follow on other social media platform, or you can join Telegram group for regular updates, daily quizzes, job related updates, free lectures, and many more things. Or whenever IGC starts any course, we share the details in all these places. Okay, yeah. So thank you guys for watching this session, and if you guys felt this session was useful, do like this session, share with your friends IGC work. It will be helpful to us. Sir, is there any PSU preparation program in IGC for non-IGC student? Yes, Shivam Kumar. We do professionally whenever PSU opportunities comes, like for HL, for DGCA. We have done for non-IGC students also, and we charge professionally some amount for that. Okay. We have done for DGCA in uh, past. Okay, and we have got excellent success also. We have done for HL also, and we have got success for that as well. Okay, and for DRDO, we only support IGC students, and this DRDO and ADA, because our idea is mainly to support those who trust for gate to us. Okay, they should become first scientists. Clear, Siva? Many query has come for mock interviews and all, but usually we do not like to do that. Okay, for non-IGC student, because number of opportunities are less, right? So IGCN should get first benefit out of that. That is our intention. But in HL and DGCA, since we have done professional efforts, so we have allowed others. Yeah. Any other query? Okay, Satish, what is, I don't really want to, I already answered. I hope I have answered all the queries. Thank you guys. Let's see you in next session with much more details on admission part, specifically cutoff parts for all the institutes where IGCNs are, joining. Yeah, old IIT with Gajodhar. May I ask you one question? On whose behalf you are asking all these questions? I think you have asked many questions with the different gate score, different category, different rank. Anything particular? Because you may have got one particular rank and you may have one particular category. So, uh, 500 gate score for which IIT is safe? With what category, Mr. Rom? It depends on that also. In general, 500 gate score is not safe in old IIT. You should apply in IST, uh, DIIT, new IITs. Okay. Okay then. I think it is better, Gajodhar, you should speak on your own behalf. Okay. But no way. I could answer what you have asked. Okay. So thank you and all the best, guys. See you in next session with the more details. Okay, where you guys can specifically look with confidence with the previous data statistic where you can get admission. Okay. Thank you, guys. All the best.